today what we're going to focus on, and in fact for the rest of the month of December, are questions I get asked most often. If you have a question that you want answered, please pop it in the comments below. So today's question is the lack of consistency, working too hard and not being able to hit notes. So that's a frustration for a lot of singers, and there are 3 parts to that. So let's break it down. So the second point was singing too hard, and now this, oh my goodness, this is a common one. I call it throw the kitchen sink at it singing. It's where every single note, regardless of the pitch, regardless of the voice quality, is dialed up to 11. What we need to start doing again is listening to our bodies and really figuring out, what are we working towards? Are we working with or against our bodies? And now sometimes some of the techniques are a little counterintuitive, but I want you to start with this. I want you to monitor your effort levels. So on a scale of 1 to 10, whenever you do anything, I want you to go, how hard am I working? Like, how hard am I working here at the source of the sound? Is it a 6? And then I want you to try to repeat the sound at a lower effort number. Check in with how it feels, check in with how it sounds, and you might have a new tool at your disposal that requires less effort. It'll just give you more options to be able to color both the sound and, most importantly, make it easier to sing, not only in the moment, but consistently, because you're removing those layers of tension that come in unnecessarily often to support you throwing the kitchen sink at it. So that is a tip for helping you to bring down that throw the kitchen sink at it singing, and to help you from singing too hard and overdoing it and potentially doing something that you don't want to do to your voice long term, or in the short term, it ain't fun. I hope you found that tip helpful. If you liked this tip, go back and have a look at last week's on how to be consistent with your singing, and then check out next Saturday's, which will show you how to hit high notes and feel comfortable about actually approaching any notes that you want to sing.